Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to show you how to make a Telnet connection to your ASA, just to make sure that you understood how to do that, because I only kind of touched on it. So first thing you want to do, obviously, is go into configuration, and we're going to go to device name, and we're going to set a Telnet password. Now by default, I think it's Cisco, and you're going to make a new password. My new password is going to be help me. All right, apply that. Now, once you have a password on there for Telnet, then you go to Device Management and click on here on your access. And now we've got to make or enable that Telnet access. So we hit Add, Telnet, and we want to add an entire network here. And boom, now we've added, so now the entire network of 192.168.1.0 can connect in. Now typically you want to have specific IP addresses that can telnet in. You definitely don't want to set this stuff for the entire company so that anybody can go grab a PC and telnet in your stuff. But you get the idea. So for class we can use a whole network, but in the real world you want to have specific addresses. Alright, so that's set up. Let me hit apply. Now it's writing all the commands in the ASA. So now if we open up PuTTY, change it to Telnet, put in the IP address, 192, and connect. First thing it's going to ask us is, the password for the new one that we just set. So type in help me, and boom, I'm in the ASA. Enable, and I keep going. So that's how you secure it using Telnet and how you make that access. Typically, more and more companies are kind of doing something a little bit different. Instead of allowing SSH connections from outside, which obviously anytime you have a connection from outside, no matter how secure it is, obviously it's another way that bad guys can get in your network. So typically, smaller companies do not allow the SSH connections from outside, and what they'll do is they'll open up a special hole for somebody like a consultant to remote into a local PC in their network, and then that one PC has access to Telnet. So as a consultant, I would do RDP or something into that one PC, then that one PC would have access through Telnet into their equipment. And then when I was done, I would tell them, then they would shut off that remote access. And that way they only have to open up a hole when they need it, and then everything is still secure just through that one PC. So now you know how to set up Telnet access on your inside VLAN, and again, you can set that up for the inside, the outside, however you want to do it. Thanks, guys.